Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. Today we'll be bottling up a blueberry wine, so stay tuned. Today we'll be bottling up a blueberry wine I made several months ago. This is a sweeter wine. I added a little bit more fruit, more sugar, because it's for my wife. I like drier wines. I like my blueberry wine to be more like a Merlot, but this is more like a table wine, a sweet wine. So if you want to see how I made this, there'll be a card coming up right now. So let's go over what you'll need. You'll need, of course, your blueberry wine. You'll need bottles. These are not 750 milliliters. I've tried my best to see what size they are, but they're larger than 750 milliliters. So it'll take about 3 of these. So I'm just reusing bottles that I got from local friends. You'll need a way to get the wine into the bottles. That's what you'll need: a racking cane or auto siphon. And today I'll also use a bottling wand. That'll just go right down in there to fill it up. When you take it out, the little thing on the end stops the wine from flowing. I love this, because it's a lot less messy than a bottling bucket. So I highly recommend you getting a bottling wand. And we'll be using a number 9 cork. Number 9 cork. And you'll need the corker. The corker, you just put your cork right in here and it'll boop right down in there. So let's get started. Right, so we're going to go with bottle number 1. I always like to have the bottles lower. This is your source. This is your destination. So you want your destination lower than your source. So source up here, destination at the feet. So we're going to attach our bottling wand. All this equipment has been sanitized. So it just attaches. Just push the tube in, and I'll go ahead and put the bottling wand into the bottle at my feet. Alright, takes a few pumps to get it going. Good thing about this bottling wand, once you filled up, you just simply take the wand off the bottom. So I'll go ahead and put my other bottle down here. Once you take it off the bottom, that little valve on the bottom will shut off the flow, and that reduces drips and spills, which makes the wife happy, and we like a happy wife. Yes, we do. Like I said, this is a sweeter wine. I made this for my wife, and she likes a sweeter wine. So we're going to fill these up, and we'll be right back. All right, we at 1 gallon filled these 2 up. And also got one of my Grolsch bottles and a half of a Grolsch bottle. So that's what we're going to have for tasting. Now this taste is kind of like the stuff toward the bottom, so it's going to be a little cloudy. Look at the pretty color on that. Smells really good. Wow, that's a really good wine. I highly recommend a blueberry wine. So here we're going to cap. So this goes in this little slot. And after that, I like to kind of line it up. I'm kind of a perfectionist. I got to have it. I don't like it all cockeyed on the top. So I straighten it up, and you just push down on these handles till you hear the pop. Even straightening it a little bit, still a little crooked on the top, but it ain't as crooked as it would have been if I hadn't straighten it up. Alright, I got that one perfectly straight. You got to put a little oomph into it, so I always have to stand up. And that is the finished product. So we'll be right back and wrap things up. And that's me bottling up my blueberry wine. I'm going to let this rest in those bottles for about a week, and then after a week or two you can enjoy. If you like what you see here and you want to help support my channel, just hit one of those Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Once you hit one of those and go about your normal Amazon shopping, I'll get a commission on every purchase that you make, and that will go toward helping me buy more equipment and more ingredients. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.